screen. Yeah, I'm not at home, so I'm not in my studio. Yeah, I supposed to do some video do my own video, but I'm not in the studio right now. Yeah, so one of my team members sent me something, and I want to address this issue. Yeah, so Wode Maya was saying that I should stop this nonsense, bro. Yeah, and I want to tell you, Wode Maya, that I love him, I like him, and I appreciate the good things he's doing. But what I'm trying to say is not something to tarnish his image or brand. I'm saying the right thing, and the right thing must be addressed. So me stopping this nonsense, I don't understand it. So far, yeah, cause like I did my Twitter post. So let me go to Twitter. So I did a Twitter post, and Wode Maya retweet my post and was like, "Stop this nonsense, bro." Meanwhile, what I'm doing is not nonsense. I'm just trying to clarify some things for people to understand some things. So there's no way you have to tell me I should stop this nonsense, bro. Because I'm not doing anything nonsense. I'm just saying the truth. The truth hurts though, but that's the truth, bro. And lots of people were insulting me, dedicated, and stop posting rubbish. You are part of the reason people say black man, black mind. What the like sort of stupid things. I don't know the reason why people are like this. Like, they know that you are saying the true thing, but because the person is bigger than me, that's why they are trying to do like I was say I'm kind of once a like I'm here now important to more now switch down I'm kind of more, but yo Charlie, see, someone just in fact delete this nonsense. If you want people to start watching your videos, negative energy is a self-destruction too. Stop this rubbish, like foolish things, bro. You know the right thing, but you don't do it. You see, so you got man, so no. So like, you see this thing. In fact, delete this nonsense. If you want people, I'm not saying I want to do something for people to watch it. I'm just saying the truth thing. Yeah, and I know this you got say you got man or something. I know, like I know he's close to Wode Maya, so like. Only Papa no, he knows the truth, but he will not say it, because if he say the truth, Wode Maya will not be friends with him again. So he will not say it. But me, I just said the truth thing. That's how I do my things. Yeah. And Wode Maya resist my antenna and say, "Stop this nonsense, bro." No, I'm not doing anything nonsense. I'm just saying the truth thing. And let me clarify this thing. I'm not doing this thing for viewing things. I'm just a tech guy, so I just go through things that made people understand some things. Yeah, so I'm not doing something to envy someone, to jealous someone, black man, black saying what people are talking about. I'm not doing anything. I'm just doing the truth thing. And you, all these niggas insulting me right now in my DMs, insulting me right now, they are all hypocrites, because they know the right thing, but because Wode Maya is a bigger YouTuber, so they don't want to like tell the truth. Because if you tell the truth right now and you need Wode Maya in your show or something like that, he will not be available for it. So that's why they are trying to defend him. In their mind, they know that what you are doing is the right thing, but because they will chop on the hand coming like they don't want to say the truth, bro. Me, I'm not trying to tarnish anyone's image. I'm not trying to condemn anyone. I'm just trying to do what I've learned, what I know. That's so yeah. So I don't know the reason why people attacking me. Like, and one thing about this is like they are all friends with Wode Maya. I don't know whether they are his team members or something like that. And they are, and Charlie, what you niggas are talking about me and Hamek, because I know that what I'm saying is the true thing. So and I'm cool with it, bro. I'm cool with it. In this stop this nonsense, you are detaining your career as a content creator. Don't build your channel by tarnishing a hard-earned reputation. Stop it. What am I tarnishing? I'm just saying I'm doing content, and the content I'm doing It's a tech content, and and me going deep with these things as part of the content I'm creating. So there's no where people will be saying like you are tarnishing someone's image. What image am I tarnishing? What image? What brand am I tarnishing? I'm just saying the true thing. So what's up, bro? Me all these comments are like me who I must keep you me and ham it because I know what I'm doing is the right thing. So I ham it, bro. And I'm not trying to ride on anyone to rise. I'm just saying if say me won't want American, say me won't want the American. How do I say? So that's why I said from next week going, I'm like I'll be launching a new episode. That's a account review. If your account describes is organic or fake, I will say it. So you have to watch it. I'm out.